How to get clear skin fast in 3 days. Welcome back to our channel, Glow Up Guide. Hey, beautiful girls. If you're struggling with breakouts, dull skin, or uneven texture, and there is nothing more annoying than waking up to a surprise pimple, like who invited it? And don't even get me started on those painful under the skin bumps it comes. Today, I'll show you how to get clear, glowing skin in just 3 days. These tips are simple, effective, and beginner-friendly. Grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook, and let's glow up together. Let's jump right in. 1. Know your skin type. First things first, girls. You can't fight acne if you don't know your skin type. Skin type essentially describes a group of unifying characteristics that represent how your skin tends to look and feel. Your skin type is largely based on how much sebum, oil, your skin produces. There are 4 basic types of healthy skin: normal, dry, oily, and combination skin. Number 2, double cleanse, morning and night. Cleansing your face twice a day, morning and night. Start with a gentle oil cleanser to melt away dirt and sunscreen, then follow up with a mild foaming cleanser. This clears out trapped oil and pollution from pores. Use salicylic acid or tea tree oil for acne-prone skin. And please stop using bar soap on the face is not recommended because it can be too harsh for the delicate skin and disrupt its natural pH balance. Bar soap can dry out the skin, potentially leading to irritation and other adverse reactions. Number 3, gentle exfoliation. Exfoliation is the process of removing dead skin cells from the outermost layer of the skin, revealing fresher, healthier skin underneath. It can be achieved through physical or chemical methods. Use chemical exfoliant like glycolic acid or lactic acid 2 to 3 times a week. Number 4, sheet mask or evening. Using a hydrating sheet mask can help improve skin hydration, leading to a plumper and more glowing complexion. The mask creates a barrier that helps seal moisture, allowing the skin to absorb hydrating ingredients and replenish moisture levels. This can result in a more supple, radiant, and healthy-looking skin. Number 5, skin moisturize. For oily skin, look for lightweight, oil-free moisturizers that won't clog pores and provide effective hydration without adding shine. Consider gel-based moisturizers, which are often well-suited for oily skin types. Number 6, SPF 50 sunscreen. UV rays are not your friend, babe. They darken acne scars and damage your skin. SPF 30 sunscreen can be a good option for acne-prone skin. It offers adequate protection against UV rays and can be less likely to clog pores than higher SPF formulas, which might be better for people with oily or acne-prone skin. However, it's important to choose a lightweight, non-comedogenic sunscreen that won't add to the oiliness of your skin. Number 7, avoid dairy and sugar. Avoiding dairy and sugar may help improve acne-prone skin, as both can potentially worsen breakouts by increasing insulin levels and potentially contributing to inflammation. Number 8, ice facial, morning or night. Rub ice cube wrapped in cloth for 2 minutes. Tightens skin plus reduces swelling. Number 9, sleep 8 hours. Your skin heals the most during sleep, and that's it. If you follow these steps for just 3 days, you'll see a visible difference in your skin. Clearer, smoother, and glowing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more skincare and glow-up tips.